Hi, it's Mike Battaglia from DRP Solutions again, here with our third and final episode in our productivity series. Today we'll dive into a few applications that will help you focus and get more accomplished using your computer. There are a lot of useful applications on Windows 10. One of my favorite is the Snip and Sketch app. This app will let you take screenshots of text and images off of your computer. It's a great app to save important information, and it's available from the Microsoft Store. Authy is another application that will allow you to store all those annoying multi-factor codes needed to log into certain secure websites. Instead of receiving the code on your phone, you will have it at your fingertips from your computer. Lastly, Microsoft To Do is a great app to track your tasks. It's easy and simple to use. The To Do app lets you set due dates, reminders, and view flagged emails in Outlook, as well as create shared to-do lists with other employees. That concludes our video series on productivity. However, if you're craving more insight, please reach out to us. We would be happy to share our knowledge and assist with enhancing your business with technology. And look out for future tips and tricks of the week.